Okay, my Annie's Holiday Quilters bag came in the mail, so let's see what this project is. All right, so I haven't opened it yet, so let's take a look and see what the project is this month. I will put all the information about this subscription in the description of this video. So do you want to see a peek of the colors? Okay, I was thinking it would be like very Christmassy or holiday-like, but it doesn't look like it. Oh, so it is, just different colors. So it's snowflakes and looks like little gnomes to me. So it says Snow Day Candle Mats. It looks like there's a bit more quilting in this one, because if you remember, last month I was a little disappointed that it was more of a sewing project. It does look like more applique though, which I'm not a huge fan of. So I'm gonna have to see how this goes to decide if I'm going to keep on with this subscription, because that's a lot of applique. It's not really my favorite thing to do. I'm just not very good at it. I mean, practice makes you better, right? But it's just not my jam. This does look like a lot of fabric though. So I could always do a different project with it and use this it's beautiful snowflake fabric. And I love the plaid. Then there's a little bit of yellow. Some textured white and gray, and then this tan here. So beautiful fabric. I really love the fabric for sure. And it looks like the little candle holders are each backed with a different color. So let's see what is in my kit. So there is 1 yard of the black snowflake, 3/8 of a yard of the gray plaid, 1/4 yard of the white metallic, 1/8 a yard of the butter solid, and 1/2 a yard of the tan tonal. So that's a pretty decent amount of fabric. I am happy about that. This isn't for me. That's not a project that I would enjoy doing. I may try just leaving the gnomes off and using that fabric for something else and see how it turns out, but it's just not something that excites me. I think gnomes are cute. I see a lot of projects with gnomes that are adorable, but I don't really find those to be cute gnomes. Maybe that's just me. I'm not excited about this project at all. It's not something I would enjoy. So I don't really know what else to say about it. I don't know what to do, if I should try doing it just so you guys can see it, or if I should use the fabric for something else. Usually when I do these craft unboxings, I try to do the craft, show some of the steps I did, and then show, say my thoughts on it, how easy it was, but I'm not even motivated to make that. So I might just post this as unboxing as is and see what you guys think, see if you want me to go ahead and make them anyway so you can see the process, or if you have an idea of what another project that might be good for that fabric. I don't know. I'll have to see and think on it, because this honestly not a project that I'm excited about at all. The last one, at least the items were cute and something I would use, even though they weren't quilted items that I felt should be sent in a quilt box, or a box that's called Holiday Quilters. I think this box would be better called like Holiday Sewers, because then it would be all encompassing. You would expect different items or crafts that are sewn, not just quilted items sent to you. I don't know if I'm being too picky. As it stands, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this subscription. I haven't been super impressed with it so far. The fabrics are gorgeous. I think they're good quality, but these projects haven't really been for me. So yeah, I don't know. Kind of a disappointment, because I get so excited when my different subscription boxes come, and when they're a bummer, it's just kind of like, ugh, come on. I mean, it's one thing if you get ones that you're like, okay, this was fantastic, I love this month, and then the next one just be okay, and then it go back to being fantastic again, because at least you have a mix of excitement and all stuff that you can use. But when they're all kind of like, this isn't a project that's for me, then it's kind of a letdown. So I don't know, I'll put an update if I decide to cancel it in the description. But yeah, so that was the project. Great fabric, kind of a to me project. All right, I'll see you again next time. We'll see what other stuff I get sent in the mail, I guess. See you guys later. Bye.